In 1932, Australia went to war, not against another country, but against emus. Yes, the giant birds. Farmers were losing crops to massive flocks, so the government sent soldiers with machine guns. But the emus, they were fast. They scattered, regrouped, and outran the soldiers every time. After thousands of rounds of ammo, the birds still won. The army finally gave up, and the Great Emu War went down as one of the most unusual defeats in history. So, was this a military failure, or proof that nature always wins?